Hi friends, let me show you this new short sleeve polo shirt that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a nice gray color. It has a black color like this, a front pocket. Really nice shirt. Let me try it. As you can see, it fits great. It's really soft. It's light to wear. It has 3 buttons here. And I think it's really pretty. I like it very much. You can use it for any casual activity, even to play golf, to play any kind of sport, or just to walk around. It's a nice polo shirt, long sleeve. I really recommend it. Thank you.